Dear students, BA Part 2nd, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In last video, we learned about the origin of essay, after that types of essay and definition of essay. Today, we are going to learn long answer on the essay as well as short answer of question on the essay and very short answer question on the essay. So in last video we have learned whole information about essay and the chapter has been completed. So here we are learning about long answer. So in university exam, questions on this chapter are asked and 10 marks questions is asked in the university exam. So remember that point of view, this chapter and essay. So here answer the following question in about 100 words. Question first, what is an essay? What is its origin? So already we discussed about what is definition of essay, and after that we learn what is origin of essay. So there is a word essay. The spelling is different. A-S-S-A-Y, and here spelling is essay. The spelling is E-S-S-A-Y. So there is a difference between two spelling. And essay means attempt, means try to write any word in the form. It is called essay. So like that we discuss, and after that also we discuss about origin. So another question on this chapter, describe the different form of essays. So already we discussed different forms of essays. There are the periodical essay, personal essay, impersonal essay. Impersonal essay, it is called objective essay. After that is a reverse. After that there is a periodical essays, etc. So we learn. You write these points in this question. After next questions, how is the reverse different from the other types of essay? So there is a difference between two. One is reverse, another essay. So reverse is very important. It's research work like MP, PhD. After graduation, you take the admission in MA. After MA, there is an option for MPhil and PhD. The reverse use is for this. So also we discussed. So you remember these questions, exam part of you. And there is a very short of question are asked on this unit. So like it, what is aphoristic essay? What is it called so? So there is a aphoristic essay. Yeah, aphoristic essay is written by Francis Bacon. Also, Francis Bacon wrote objective essays like of studies, of marriage, of habits, etc. So here Francis Bacon's essay, like Bacon has the credit of bringing essay into England. So he means British writer. Yeah, he took progress in England. He gives it and the objective and impersonal essays. Yes, already discussed. He wrote the objective and impersonal essay. So objective essay means write down particular theme of a particular subject. That is objective essays. Means personal background is not involved in that essay. That essays are called objective essay. So he entertains the readers instead with the concerns, civil and moral. And these essays depend on the civil and moral theme. Also, that remember, his essays have short and script sentence. His style is a compact, the terse. In the Bacon's age, there was a Ben Jonson, and after that there is a Ben Jonson also wrote these types of essay. So, like that we discuss or we learn long answer and short answer. Long answer is for 10 marks and short answer question is for 5 marks. Now we are discussing about very short question and answer. So let us see. So first question is, what is essay? The for these questions are asked for the 2 marks. So you have to write question 1 or 2 writes. So here is answer of this question. Dr. Johnson defined essay as a loose study of the mind and irregular indigested piece, not a regular or ordinary perform. So already we discussed. So essay is irregular form. So here you have to write definition in this question. Next question is, what is known the father of essay? So who is the father of essay? The answer is Montaigne. Montaigne is the father of essay. Montaigne, a French writer of 16th century who wrote intimate, personal and the systematic essay. So he wrote personal essay. That's why he is the father of personal essay. He is also known as the father of essay. So you remember the question exam point of view. Who wrote personal essay? So there is a leader who was the Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb wrote the personal essay. Who wrote essays of Iliad is a classic example. So he wrote essays of Iliad and it is a famous. That's why it is called it is called the Prince of Essay. Next question is, who wrote the aphoristic essay? The writer here is answer is Francis Bacon wrote aphoristic essay or aphoristic essay. So in this way, whole essays information and this chapter information and questions have been completed. In this way, this chapter has been completed. In next video, we will learn another chapter. Thank you.